Can I charge Chromebook with phone charger? Find out. The reply to can I cost my Chromebook with my cell phone charger is, you guessed it, perhaps. I say perhaps as a result of it is dependent upon a number of elements resembling what chargers your Chromebook and your telephone use. To cost a Chromebook with a telephone charger would require each gadgets to make use of a USB Kind-C connector. Most gadgets in the previous few years are geared up with USB-C. How do I cost my Chromebook by utilizing my cell phone charger? In case you want or wish to cost your Chromebook utilizing your telephone charger, I'll clarify how it may be performed on this article. I embody details about Lenovo Chromebooks, however it should apply to any producer utilizing the USB Kind-C connector normal. When you have misplaced your charger and have to know how you can cost a Chromebook with no charger, see the next steps. These will get your Chromebook charged again up and able to use. Can I cost a Chromebook with a cell phone charger? As I discussed above, to be able to cost your Chromebook along with your telephone charger, you'll need to ensure each gadgets have a USB-C port. Notice that there are two varieties of USB-C ports, that are USB-C and USB-C/PD energy supply. See under for the distinction. Ideally, to cost your Chromebook along with your telephone charger, you'll wish to use a charger that's rated for USB-C/PD. As a result of it will probably provide greater voltage and wattage over a non-PD charger. Additionally, a USB-C/PD charger is ready to detect the related gadget and supply the correct quantity of energy to cost it. Many new telephones in the marketplace at present do incorporate USB-C/PD, so utilizing their chargers will work to cost a Chromebook. A barely older telephone charger that's solely USB-C could nonetheless have the ability to cost a Chromebook, however it is going to be at a decreased voltage and wattage. As such, it should take for much longer to cost and the gadget must be powered off throughout charging. What is the distinction between USB-C and USB-PD? USB-C was designed to be reversible, so you'll be able to hot plug it within the unsuitable method. That's, you don't should flip the connector to ensure it suits, it simply suits now. USB-C was additionally designed for use throughout all gadgets, from smartphones as much as laptops and displays. Lastly, it was designed to be future-proof, as it will probably deal with sufficient energy to cost all of your gadgets and switch greater knowledge charges. USB-PD, or USB-C/PD as it's typically written, is an energy supply specification. USB-PD permits for the next energy that enables gadgets to cost extra rapidly over USB. Two gadgets utilizing USB-PD decide the correct quantity of energy that can be utilized. A USB-C/PD charger is ready to detect the related gadget and supply the correct quantity of energy to cost it. To cost a Chromebook with no charger will be performed with a USB-PD gadget or a USB-PD telephone charger. Lenovo Chromebooks with USB-C ports. I've included a desk of Lenovo Chromebooks with USB-C ports. In case you personal one among these, use the reference to know what the present AC adapter is rated at. Lenovo Chromebook energy adapters with USB-C. This desk shows out their Lenovo AC adapters you should purchase. Make sure you test whether it is suitable along with your laptop computer. These use the USB-C connection. Do all Chromebooks use the similar charger? Not all Chromebooks use the identical charger. Newer Chromebooks with USB-C can use different USB-C costs. Test if it has energy supply PD, as PD is ready to detect voltage. Older Chromebook chargers with rounded barrel connectors aren't interchangeable. These can present an excessive amount of or too little energy, or the unsuitable polarity.